how to actually trade meme coins in Nova. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So as you can see right now, I'm currently in Nova, and so let's teach you guys how you will be able to utilize this, for example, with our BullX over here. So we're utilizing BullX as an example over here. So what you need to do to be able to set up or to be able to utilize your Nova over here with BullX or whatever platform you're actually choosing, we're going to simply click on /start over here so we could see our main menu. And what you guys would need to do is you're going to click on wallets over here and click on import wallet. Now you're going to simply name your wallet over here. So let's say BullX, and you're going to enter the private key of your wallet. Now, after you're doing that, you are now able to connect it with your BullX over here. So you can now simply do any interaction or purchase anything. It will appear or will be monitored with your Nova over here. Now, what is the benefit of Nova? Why is it really great with trading with meme coins? So Nova has a lot of amazing features. So let me go back to our start over here. So what we could do is you could simply locate any meme coins that you want to track over here, whether it doesn't really matter which one. So for example, you plan to buy and sell on a specific meme coin. So let's go and select a random one over here. So let's say this one. So we have this meme coin over here. So what you're going to do is you're going to copy our code over here of the specific meme coin and simply pasting it directly on the messages on your Nova. And over here, you will be able to track everything that you're doing inside of your BullX. So whether you're purchasing something, selling something, it's going to appear here. Now, vice versa, you could also do the same thing inside of Nova. There's a lot of settings that you could modify here. So as you can see here, there are slippage, there are protect, there's multiply, sniper over here. If you want to snipe, we're in, depending on the specific range or the specific settings that you have set here, it will automatically do it for you. So for example, you select specific slippage or depending on, of course, what your settings is, you could either automatically buy something or automatically sell. In some tokens, if you click on switch to sell over here, there will be an option that would appear here to automatically buy or automatically sell something. So there's a lot of automations that you could do here, and Nova allows you to do that with ease. So depending on the settings that you have generated, depending on the slippage, you have your different protects over here. You could also do multi-buy if you prefer. As you can see here, you could buy on all wallets. So it's a lot of automation that you could do with Nova. So depending on what type of settings that you guys chose, it could either help you benefit a lot when purchasing different meme coins inside of Bullets or any platform out there, protecting you from sudden crashes or being able to maximize your profit. You could do that with our Nova over here, as long as, of course, you properly be able to take advantage and utilize its different features. So the different settings that you could do depends on your preference, depends on the current trend, but you guys could search up the internet on really great settings that could help you guide with how to use Nova a lot. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.